In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Dropbox to n8n. Whether you're automating your workflows or simply aiming for more streamlined operations, integrating these two platforms can provide immense benefits. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can seamlessly set up your connection. First things first, go ahead and open up n8n. You can easily access it from your web browser or open the desktop application if that's your preference. Once you have it open, you'll want to navigate over to the Credentials section. This is where we'll start setting things up for your Dropbox integration. In the Credentials section, you'll see an option to create a new credential. Click on this Create Credential button to begin the process. From the list of available credential types, look for and select Dropbox OAuth 2 API. This is the key to connecting your Dropbox account securely with n8n. Now it's time to enter some specifics. You'll be required to provide your app key and app secret. These are essential for establishing a secure connection between n8n and Dropbox. If you don't have these yet, make sure to visit the Dropbox developer site to create your app and obtain your unique app key and app secret. Once you have this information, carefully enter it in the respective fields. With your app key and app secret set, it's time to connect your account. Find and click the Connect My Account button. At this point, you'll be redirected to a Dropbox login page. This is where you need to sign in to your Dropbox account. Enter your Dropbox credentials and continue with login. After signing in, you'll be presented with a screen requesting your authorization to allow n8n to access your Dropbox account. This authorization is crucial for the integration to work smoothly. Review the permissions needed, and if you're comfortable, go ahead and authorize the app. Providing authorization ensures that your workflows will be able to access and manage your Dropbox files as required by your automations. Now that your account is successfully connected, return to n8n where you should find that your credentials have been updated. Before you finish, make sure to save the credential. Saving confirms that all the entered details are correct and stores your settings for future use, eliminating any need to repeat these steps unless you need to update your credentials. Congratulations, you've now connected Dropbox with n8n, and you're ready to start creating automated workflows that include your Dropbox data. This powerful combination can streamline countless tasks, improve organizational workflows, and save you both time and effort. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment and we'll be happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides and tips. Happy automating!